That's on the Scat Pack one, huh?
Just falls off when I try to swear. For real? Yeah.
Check out the lights.
I'm just waiting until that fucking website gets more time. I just ate right now. I got wings up.
Right on time too,
blacked
huh?
out too.
They tinted out.
Hell yeah. It's clean. Damn. Any fingerprints on there already?
Let me
Break
see.
them in.
Look alright.
Throw in the dirt.
They look cool when they light up. Like
yeah, I know.
How do you plug in all this?
I also want to say I don't know how to do all this. I don't think you have to mess with this.
This
You
is
just hide it behind there.
just these right here. I don't know.
Oh, you don't even need a light bulb.
I know,
no
that's
more.
what I was gonna say. I think I have to take out my light bulbs and plug those in.
Oh yeah, this will go into where the bulb plugs.
Yeah,
It's like a bulb
I
plug.
guess.
Now you just
That's
hide
cool.
it.
That's cool because, say like if I didn't have that light bulb,
Yeah.
like, to replace it, I wouldn't even need it anyways.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We have to wash
Gotta
the
wash the
before we
truck
turn it on.
now. Yeah. This was the OEM one. And they fucking came up on your other one, huh? We couldn't find it.
I know they hella took
That
it.
shit would have been in the middle of the road. I think they
know.
took it.
Yeah, I was looking for it, but it was gone.
And it is pretty. It took me forever for to wash my truck. It took.
This one,
still
this one they
look
came
dirty.
on there for like since that day, so it wasn't even
It
hard.
took forever, fool. Shout out to American Modified for the headlights, man. Just in time too, right after we fucking went off-roading. He literally just lost it like 2 days ago. You already lost the tail light? What the fuck? Oh, there's that muffler. There it is. I thought you got rid of the muffler for a second. I couldn't see it.
This is right there, it just blends in with the mud.
You're gonna leave that muffler on it?
It sounds pretty like, I like it because it sounds like a diesel and shit.
Yeah.
I was looking at that video when I was doing donuts and it sounded like a diesel and that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. It's hella dirty, huh?
You could hear the rocks coming out.
That's just a bitch to get off. You could even do it a little bit wider and it'll get like the whole truck and shit. Like a little touch of it. Like barely like a little ass touch. Oh, let me see.
Move it, I'll be holding it.
Like that's cool. I like it like that. Yeah, like the whole truck and shit.
Yeah, it's hella foamy.
It's good, huh? And then you could control the foam with the top one. I just don't like how long it is and shit. Like a what? Okay. It kind of looks like the OBS ones, but round. Oh shit. Scat pack. You should reverse. You could just park right there, it'll reach. He's gonna reverse into you. Who's that for?
My sister.
Yeah?
Let me see, let me test one of this. Good.
Two screws on top and bottom. Those are already out, huh?
Yeah, well, it's going to have on the horn.
Pull the tail lights off and plug the bulbs. Plug this silver socket bulb directly into your new tail light. Simply.
You think so? But I have this. I don't know what these are. I think this, you don't mess with this.
I think it's just plug and play, bro. They don't even come with anything.
And this, you know, I'm thinking maybe you screw that into something.
Yeah, Joel was saying that the brackets are for these, probably so they don't flop around. Yeah, look, you see they have the holes. So you plug those into these brackets right here.
Like just like onto the light right here?
Just onto somewhere probably.
Not a ground or something? I don't know, it's weird.
I don't think so.
And then
Well, the instructions are right here, look.
I don't know, you have to pick up a light bulb and like, oh.
It's pretty simple on these trucks right here.
Yeah, it's all tiny. That's super easy on these. 2 bolts and
you already knew how to do it, huh? Because you had done it before?
Yeah. I was trying to tint them like black like that.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Fucking
I know, that's why
better.
it was perfect. Yeah, like I wanted them black anyways.
I'm really not into the tinting. Oh, look.
So how does... I think the longest one is the highest.
Let me see, I'll take a picture of it.
Yeah, look. It's like I think it's like this. So it's, yeah, it's like that.
Take a picture.
So it's gonna go like this. But I wonder if something goes here because it has
that's a bulb.
The bulb goes in there? Or
They
wait,
just blocked it off,
Never
probably.
mind. Maybe for a different kit or something. Wait. Go.
I don't think nothing goes in there because it's covered.
But you could take it off looking at bulb
Oh,
goes
just
there.
leave it. If there's not a bulb for it, then just leave it because moisture might get in there. Or
Yeah. I think you're good. This is probably the...
I mean, this you could probably just tuck it in here, no? Like,
Yeah.
so it won't be moving in there?
This is probably so it won't like bounce around and shit, I'm assuming.
Yeah. You could probably like put it right there and into this hole.
Reach it, dude.
I don't know.
You should leave that on
Yeah.
until you install it, yeah. Because then you could scratch it, like say when you're putting it in. You gotta like twist it, huh?
Just twist them off. That's it right there.
The old one. Probably sell that one maybe.
Just keep it as a spare, just in case.
Yeah.
I'll sell it.
Yeah. Alright, so...
You could put it in what these came in too.
Yeah, you could.
That's what I do.
This one?
Yeah.
Unless you guys put it in the wrong order maybe.
No, well, I mean, either way, it should have come on at some point.
Not if it didn't get the... No, but the other one's got the
Is this the
signal.
right side? Like that?
It should be, yeah.
It might take a little bit of time to get power too.
Top one. Let's see.
Alright, so before you guys test your tail lights out, make sure you guys follow this exact wiring method or else you will end up with blown fuses. We blew 3 fuses because we just plugged them in without knowing exactly where to wire it. Yeah. All blown. Alright,
Make
so
sure
these are
the top goes to the middle, the second one on this.
It's supposed to be the top original OEM one. Goes to the middle of these. And then the second, the middle one's supposed to go to the top one.
Then the bottoms go together. And make sure it's green to green. Oh, what is color is that? Green to...
Make sure it's yellow to green.
Yeah, yellow to green.
And then this one's gonna be black to black and yellow to green or blue. And this one is...
As long as the blacks are always to the black, huh?
And the browns are basically blacks too.
Yeah, so brown to black or black to black.
Yeah.
That's how it should be. Black to black and brown to blacks. Or else you're gonna blow a fuse.
Want me to turn it on or
Yeah.
the keys in there?
Yeah, the keys.
This is how we did the little brackets. Right here. To the transistors, you just kind of bolt them in and you have somebody hold it on the other side with the screwdriver. The shit we gotta do to fucking... Imagine it's just you and shit.
3 hands.
That's how you do the little module right here.
But imagine it's just you trying to install it. I don't know how.
It's possible. It takes more time.
Hold it with your teeth and shit.
Someone gotta hold it from this side.
That shit's not spinning though.
For real? Did it strip?
Nah,
Let's.
No, it's going.
is it?
Yeah.
I don't remember
Is it?
spinning
Yeah,
it
it
this
is.
time.
No, it actually is not.
For real?
Oh,
What happened?
hold it right there. It probably wasn't green.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah. So I do the little modules. Damn, your thing died, I think.
No, it doesn't.
Oh,
Yeah, everybody thinks it dies.
damn.
It's an auto show off feature or some shit. I think that's good right there. Now we just got through the bottom.
We got this one. Oh, we already got that one done over there.
Blew out 3 fuses and shit.
About 3 fuses.
You got lucky Omar even had those.
No, I didn't have them. Those were
Oh yeah, you got them from your
Yeah.
house, huh?
Hold up.
We did it wrong, so you guys wouldn't have to.
Hopefully those screws fit.
Damn, you're not even getting it right. Look clean.
There you go.
No, it's sipped out. I think it might be. Yeah, it might be good. Go. Yeah, I think it's good already.
Torqued it. And these are gonna go like this. The hideaways. This one will go. Which one's the top? This one's to the top, huh?
It doesn't matter, I think.
So we just clip them in.
Oh, just like that.
Do this one. Good. Professional installation.
Oh, damn. Look professional to me.
Just kind of hide them in there. But you know what? Is it? I think that. Wait. I think they're. Oh no, I think it's. Wait.
Damn, the wiring's all messed up.
Wait, I think it is. Hold up.
No, it took some.
Yeah, but this bottom one, I think that with this bottom one, it's got to be disconnected and. It's because they all ran through the top. This other one, this bottom one needs to run to the bottom.
So,
Or you could just gotta
all the lighting
reroute
is
it.
disconnected.
Yeah, so it's yellow to blue.
Yeah.
Just reroute it and.
Make sure it's
Yeah, it's yellow
the
to
right
blue.
colors on, like
Well, I'm fucking
outside.
colorblind and shit. So.
Damn.
Nah,
What
it's,
was it? Is it
Yeah, no,
it's
no,
yellow.
yeah,
That
you're good.
yeah, like
So, I mean, she took in the wires. Are they good now?
They should be. Or did I fuck up? Wait.
Which one's the one you did?
Or did I
This
fuck up?
one should have went to the
On
top. Yeah.
Okay.
So
it's like-
yeah, blue, yellow to green.
I think. Oh yeah.
We blew 3 fuses, guys, so you guys don't have to do that no more.
Okay. Yeah, it gotta be like that. It's a finished product right here.
Weird, because once I shake it, it turns on, so I don't know.
I feel like it has to do something with the connection. I feel it wasn't even turned on.
Yeah, so I'm saying, once I wiggle it, it got connection. So I don't know if like